Hello, and thank you for clicking on our short video. My name is Kelly Kleinsasser, and I'm a Senior Vice President with Forward Strategies Insurance Brokerage. I'd like to spend a couple minutes with you today talking about a free feature on our website that allows you to run hypothetical illustrations based on index strategies that you input. Our website address is FSIB2000.com, listed at the top there. Once you type that in, you'll be forwarded to our website. Hover your cursor over Annuity. The first thing you're going to see in that drop-down menu is Index Illustrations. Let's go ahead and click on Index Illustrations. What you're going to see here is our fixed indexed hypothetical calculator. What it's going to allow you to do is input any premium that you wish. We'll go ahead and go with the default of $100,000. You can start at any date you would like, going all the way back to 1960. And you can use any number of years to calculate. If you just want to see 1 year, if you want to see 10 years, or if you want to go forward 20 years, you can do that. Let's go ahead and go 10 years, so it'll go from 95 through about 2004. And let's go ahead and calculate the Dow Jones. Let's compare that to the S&P 500, and then let's also take a look at the let's take a look at the Hang Seng. We have a number of strategies or products that have that strategy in it today. We're going to go ahead and assume a monthly averaging on all three of these. That way we can do an apples to apples comparison. You're going to notice that you can compare daily averaging or monthly point to point as well. We're going to go ahead and assume a ratcheting, which is the way most of these products work, 100% participation. And we're going to go ahead and leave the cap and the spread fee at 0. So no cap and no spread fee. Now, obviously, that is not the case in today's marketplace, but let's take a look and see how these would have performed under these conditions. Go ahead and click on Run Hypothetical Calculation, and you're going to get all three of them compared. Now, it's kind of large across the screen here, so I'm going to minimize my screen, and hopefully we'll be able to see all of these on one screen. So here you go. Sorry if this is a little small to see, but hopefully you will be able to see it well enough. You're going to see the first column here, or the first section, is on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It shows the returns of the Dow Jones right here, where my cursor is going up and down. And then it shows the interest earned based on the monthly average. It shows your $100,000 and what it would be worth. And then it shows the annualized return over time. So you're going to see that the Dow Jones over that 10-year period of time earned 7.33%. That was the averaged annualized return. You compare that to the S&P 500, you're going to see the S&P 500 returns here, the interest earned, and then the annualized return there at 7.66, so pretty close. And then what about Hong Kong, the Hang Seng index? You're going to see over that same period of time, you would have returned, monthly averaging, no cap, a 6.52% return. If you want to change any of these parameters, you can go ahead and do that. I'm going to expand this out just a little bit. You can put caps in, as I mentioned. You can change the participation rate to just about anything that you want. If you want to take a look at a monthly point-to-point, you can feel free to do that as well. So please feel free to use these features as often as you like, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you very much for spending a couple minutes with Forward Strategies.